NRM oye. The youth oye. Agago oye. Thank you. My name is Emmanuel Lodio. Lodio. The district speaker for the district government. I am from Agago. I am the son to Major General Kidega. That's where I am. With me, I am both with the team of 4, 5. Allow them introduce themselves. Madam Oye. Oye. The youth Oye. 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 Acholi Oye. Oye. Westline Oye. Oye. Lava Oye. Oye. Uganda flag Oye. Oye. Thank you very much. My name is Elma Cheboy. I am the main district councillor. Also double council chairperson. Thank you.
I'm a student leader. Currently, I serve as the vice president at my campus. I'm glad to be here actually. When I'm in Acholi, I'm at home. Acholi is like home because I have my brothers here. I have Gimara here. He's my family member. I live with them. I have my friend Bagwere here. So when I'm in Acholi, I feel at home. Thank you very much. Thank you for being people. Yeah, I'm also an upcoming leader in the coming elections. I'll be running for regional vice for Ramoja. Thank you very much.
Agago oye. Oye. NRM oye. Oye. Youth leaders oye. Oye. My name's Adome Yasin from Kotido. This is my mentor, the speaker. He was a youth leader at the council, followed by him, and now it's my turn. That's why I am with them as the youth councillor. My coming here is to learn. I decided to move with them so that I can learn. For us, I had someone saying here, Chilamno, here. In Kotido, we are also few. Happen to be Muslim. And for us in Islam, they say seeking for knowledge is compulsory for every man and woman. Whether it means going to China. Now China is far. Gabo is near. Where there is knowledge, go seek it. That's why I'm here today. And whatever and have a take-off. What I've learned today is a lot. Yeah. Amen.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take this great honor to thank all of you for coming here. I am sure we have all eaten and we can make some noise for God and for NRM and for our leaders. Are we together? Yes. NRM oye! Oye! A winning oye! Oye! Our leaders of Agago oye! Oye! A youth structure oye! Oye! Elma oye! Oye! Yes, thank you very much. We have personally come here to affirm as Karamoja that we already have a candidate for youth, Northern Youth, MP, who wants to bring before you as Agago, you are our immediate neighbors. Me, myself, I am part of you. My mother comes from Adila, so I am Apoyo watoto wale. Ana wacho ni mama ana akagago. So anbena beda atina gago. Atinga. So man, one Yome Kotido, Yome Karamoja Weng, Wachiki candidate, a chair, Waramidoni, Wachok Weng, Ka chair, or chief, or Yon Weng. Yen, Peko Matia Gago, Peko Mati Karamoja, Wamironi, Atini, Onyonu, Ekeno. I piano alo leb luo but never choli
la buo
itu no me abim ya piano baba kamana ya kabim so ojong mo tije ko ay wari ko ka chiel wa choko la merun dan mabe winyo don bulu bino fitit bulu pat fitit me winyo so bino la tela bulu pat la tela padano mo ata mo apo ko ale inga Ilongani Chila Christopher Lochu Lochu beronyin babana ba Chila beronyin Christopher beronyin kani chaumia apo elo aso thank you very much. Today is a very wonderful day to some of us. We have learned a lot from the It is the first of its kind for us to get an organized team, the youth who are organized, people who are preparing for their future. Allow me to thank the youth chairperson, the organizer for this meeting. We have learned a lot. I signaled to my youth councillor that when we are going back, we need to call for the same meeting. We need to go and implement it in the community. Allow me to offer my apologies for the pain that my people have been inflicted, brothers and sisters of Agago. No one can express, and there is no way. It is really hard to hear that a brother has come and inflicted pain to his fellow brother. As the district chairman put it right, that we are permanent neighbors. We are brothers and sisters. If you look at Adilang, most of those people who are from Adilang are from Kotido. But there is nothing that will always make a person kill another for his own property. Allow me to assure you that the people themselves, the GA, have gone ahead to look for those perpetrators. They are being killed, they are being lynched at home the other side. Because what they are doing it's unwanted and it's unacceptable. Allow me to assure you that the community policing is also on. People are talking to them. As I talk, people are in the border there discussing issues of peace. Asking Israel, why do you want to spoil the relationship that we have with our brothers, Acholi? About my brothers and sisters, allow me to ask you to at least forgive us for all these things, for all these bad acts that our people have inflicted into your brothers and sisters. We are one, we are a family, and there is no way we are going to allow these things to continue happening. But the people who are in the front line of stopping these things are us, the young people. Because if we don't go to the far front of mobilizing for peace in this country, then no one else will do it for us. It is us to unite, come together, and we preach the word of peace and unity among our people. Today, we have come to Agago to seek for your hand, to seek for support for our sister Elma Chala. She was not able to come to this gathering today because she went to the US. She is preparing for her graduation. That's why she was not able to come this side. But nevertheless, with the able leadership of the people, we were able to come to present our message to the youth of Agago, and allow me, my brothers and sisters, to read it verbatim. Here it says, "My name is Elma Kapel Chala. It is truly a privilege to stand before you today as an aspirant of Parliament of Northern Uganda, Northern region. This gathering is critical under the theme from leaders, legacy builders. And I firmly believe that we can forge a path towards this vision, facing two vital issues we face in our region: security, socio-economic transformation. Security as a young leader, it's essential that we acknowledge the challenges our communities have been facing, particularly in light of the recent unrest in Acholi. It breaks my heart to see the division and hardships caused by conflict, especially stemming from the actions of certain groups like the cattle rustlers. I believe deeply in the importance of prioritizing peace, stability among us. It is crucial that we foster dialogue and understanding among all community members, working together to build bridges rather than walls. By promoting initiatives that emphasize harmony, we can nurture an environment that allows every individual to grow and flourish. I know that all our regions have been affected for a long time by instability. Now that we have peace and tranquility in the region, let's accelerate by transforming ideas into action. Socio-economic transformation. Our region is filled with remarkable potential waiting for us to explore it fully. We must prioritize the empowerment of our youth through education, skills training, and entrepreneurship. By providing our young people with the necessary resources and support, we can unlock their potential to create meaningful job opportunities and to stimulate sustainable economic growth for everyone in the entire region. As we look towards socio-economic transformation and advancement, let's consider the importance of strengthening relationships, especially between trade and Karamoja. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to my brother Daniel Oye for organizing this significant meeting and I value this invite. As you are a aspiring member of parliament, I am genuinely dedicated to working alongside all of you to tackle our region's challenges and enhance its vast potential. Together, let's strive towards creating a brighter future for ourselves, our communities, and our region as a whole. Northern Uganda without leaving anyone behind. I say this for God and my country. Chala, Kapel, Elma. Transforming ideas into action. That is the message from our sister, Elma Kapel Chala. Allow me, my brothers and sisters,